Hi and welcome to DCO. My name's David Capetti, and in this video I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm sharing the process for this dome that I created and designed in Grasshopper and in Rhino. So right now I'm just gonna share, this is me cutting it. So I'll share the design a little bit later on. This is mostly showing the process for creating and manufacturing the dome. This is using a press, and those are called arbor plates. So I'm just kind of using this press to smash the end of the conduit. This way the connections can kind of come together with a bolt. And so this is what it looks like when they're all smashed. At this point I am now drilling the holes. These are the connections. I'm using hex bolts, using nuts, and also some washers. So I'll be kind of sharing some of those specs later on. And yeah, I took my time, created those, and then here's me kind of putting it all together. I was able to put this all together by myself. It just, doing one connection at a time, and then removing some of the nuts and washers, and then placing the structure in. So as you can see, it's a little bit wobbly once you start, and that's because the connections are not tightened all the way. At the end, when you tighten everything together, it gets a lot sturdier. So in the end, I'm happy with the structure. I was able to fit a few things in there, including the hammock. And so yeah, this is something that I want to get into, is designing the structures, being able to manufacture them now that I have most of the tools, and getting some feedback from you guys to see if you guys dig this kind of content or not. So let me know what you think. I'll be posting the video of how I design this in the future. So that concludes the video. Hopefully you found that interesting. Next week I will be resuming and going back to parametric designs and showing you how I designed this dome and how you can create actually any dome that has any pattern similar to this. So if you would like to get a hold of scripts, if you want to become a member, check out my website, capettidavid.com. And if you'd like to check out more content like this, make sure to subscribe for future content. So thank you very much for being here, and I hope to see you next time.